How to log into the new mobile app for the first time. Welcome to our new and refreshed mobile app. To log into the mobile app for the first time, download the Atlantic Edge Credit Union app to your phone and open the app. Click Login, and you will find the login screen. If you have an old profile saved, first click Manage Login Profiles and click the Delete button. This will delete your old login profile so you can log in with your new member ID. Now, log in with your new member ID and your old personal access code. You can find your new member ID on the letter you received in the mail. If you do not know your new member ID, you can look it up by clicking the link. Enter your former member number and your email address, and you will receive an email with your new member ID. Please note, if you have multiple memberships, the member number provided must be the primary for this tool to work. When you have your new member ID, enter it along with your personal access code. If you want to save your login profile, click Remember Me and name your profile. On your first login, you will need to re-enable your two-step verification. Enter either your mobile phone number or your email address and click Send Code. Then enter the received code to complete your setup. When you log in, you will experience the new mobile app look and feel.